Hello children, today we will do some more word problems based on multiplication. First question is the weight of an iron ball is 2 kg 550 gram. Find the weight of 12 such iron balls. So weight of one ball is given to us. We have to find out weight of 12 balls. Weight of one iron ball is equals to 2 kg 550 gram. So weight of 12 iron balls it will be equals to 2 kg 550 gram multiplied by 12. So we will arrange them in columns. First kg and gram. 2 kg 550 gram multiplied by 12. Firstly multiply the given number by 2. 2 into 0, 0. 2 fives are 10, 1 carry. 2 fives are 10 and 1, 11. 1 will be written here and 1 carry. 2 twos are 4, 4 and 1, 5. Now multiply the number by 1, but 1 is at tens place. So what we will do? We will put 1 0 at 1's place. Now multiply by 1. 1 into 0, 0. 1 fives are 5. 1 fives are 5 and 1 twos are 2 and add them. Sum is 0 plus 0, 0, 0, 6, 5 plus 5, 10, 1 carry, 2 plus 1, 3. That means product is 30 kg and 600 gram. So answer weight of 12 iron balls is equals to 30 kg 600 grams. Next question is the cost of a toy is rupees 775. Here cost of one toy is given to us rupees 775. Find the cost of 15 packets if each packet contain 4 toys. So we have to find out the cost of 15 packets if in each packet there are 4 toys. So firstly we have to find out that how many toys are there in 15 packets. Therefore, number of toys in one packet is equals to 4. So, number of toys in 15 packets, it will be equals to 4 multiplied by 15. That is 60. Now we have to find out that what is the cost of 60 toys. Cost of one toy is given to you. You have to find out what is the cost of 60 toys. So cost of one toy is equals to rupees 775. Cost of 60 toys, it will be equals to rupees 775 multiplied by 60. Here we have to multiply 775 by 60. So firstly we will multiply 775 by 6. So 775 multiplied by 6, it will be 6 fives are 30, 3 here, 6 sevens are 42, 42 plus 3, 45, 4 carried, 6 sevens are 42, 42 plus 4, 46. So it is equals to 4650. But one zero of 60 is still left. So we will put the zero at the last place. Therefore, answer is cost of 15 packets, because 60 toys are there in 15 packets. So cost of 15 packets of toys is equals to rupees 46,500. Next question is, the cost of a safety pin is rupees 1.75. Find the cost of 50 packets of pin if each packet contain 1 dozen pins. Just like previous question, in this question also we have to find out the cost of 50 packets if in each packet there are 1 dozen pins. So firstly we have to find out how many pins are there in 50 packets. We know that 1 dozen is equals to 12. So there will be 12 pins in one packet. So write the statement first. Number of pins in one packet is equals to 12, because in place of 1 dozen we can write 12. Therefore, number of pins in 50 packets, it will be equals to 12 multiplied by 50. We know 12 fives are 60 and one more zero will make it 600. So there are 600 pins in 50 packets. Now cost of one pin is given to us. So cost of one pin is rupees 1.75. We have to find out cost of 600 pins. So cost of 600 pins will be rupees 1.75 multiplied by 600. So what we have to do here, we will take 1.75 and we will multiply it by 6. Then after we will put two zeros at the last places. So 1.75 multiplied by 6. Just like normal multiplication, we will multiply both of these numbers without thinking of point. So take it as 175. 6 fives are 30. Put 0 here. 3 will be carried. 6 sevens are 42. 42 and 3, 45. 4 will be carried. 6 ones are 6 and 4, 10. 1050. So here we got 1050. Now two zeros are still left. So we will put these two zeros afterwards. But in this question, it's not 175, it is 1.75. So you can see two digits are there after this point. So what we will do, we will put point after two places from the right side. So 1 and 2 and then put 1 point here. So it will make it rupees 1050, because after point there are two zeros. These two zeros are of no value. So what is left here? Rupees 1050. That means answer is cost of 50 packets of pens is rupees 1050. Next question is, a carton contains 55 apples and another carton contains 60 apples. What is the weight of total apples in two cartons if each apple weighs 145 grams? So number of apples in two cartons are given to us. We have to find out total weights of apple if weight of one apple is 145 grams. So first thing is to find out total apples in two cartons. So how we can get total apples in two cartons? By adding 55 and 60. So number of apples in one carton is 55. Number of apples in another carton it is 6. So we have to find out total apples in two cartons. This will be 55 plus 60, that is 115. Now we have to find out weight of 115 apples. So weight of one apple is 145 gram. So weight of 115 apples, it will be equals to 145 grams multiplied by 115. So let's do the multiplication. 145 multiplied by 115. So 5 fives are 25, 2 carry. 5 fours are 20 plus 2, 22. Again 2 carried here. 5 ones are 5 and 2, 7. Now take 1 but put 1 0 at 1's place because this one is at 10's place. So 1 into 5, 5. 1 into 4, 4. 1 into 1, 1. Now for multiplying with the next one, which is at hundreds place, we have to put 0 at ones and tens place. And now start the multiplication. Into 5, 5. 1 into 4, 4. 1 into 1, 1. And add them. So it will be 5, 7, 16, 1 carry, 6, 6 and 1. So it is equals to 16,675 grams, or it can also be written as 16 kilogram and 675 grams, as there are 1000 gram in 1 kilogram. So from thousands place, that is we are having 16,000. So 16,000 grams can be written as 16 kilogram also. So answer is weight of total apples in 2 cartons is equals to 16 kilogram 675 grams.